guys, and happy Saturday. I just woke up. It's 7:06. Well, actually been up, but sometimes I wake up early and I just like to lay here for a little while. Today I decided that I'm going to film a day in the life. So I'm currently trying to decide if I want to go to the gym or if I want to go on a hike. Saturdays are the hardest to get up and work out because I don't have to get up. So I just have to motivate myself to get up and just do it. I'm kind of pushing more towards going on a hike so that I can just change it up a little bit. And plus, I love being out in nature. So I'm about to get up, brush my teeth, put my clothes on, and head out because, like I said, if you guys watched yesterday's video, when I work out, I like to work out fasted. So I like to get up early and get it over with. Alright guys, so I decided to go on a hike even though I know it's freezing outside, but oh well. So let's brush my teeth and find something to wear so we can head out. So this is what I wash my face with. If you watched my video a few videos ago, then you already know what's up. If not, go ahead and watch it. I'm not going to get into it. It's my skincare video, so just go ahead and check that one out. I think it's called Nothing Is Working. I don't like to use towels. I just use my hands when I wash my face. And then I like to dry it with a paper towel. Alright, so after I wash my face, I get a little scrubbing pad and my toner. And then once I let this dry for a few seconds, I put just a tad bit of this one because I already have really oily skin. And I put this one on with that. And then I also mix this in. This is supposed to help eliminate oily skin, but when I use this by itself, it messed me up. So I noticed that when I mix it together, it does me fine. So that's why I put just a little bit of this because I think it's drying my skin out too much. So I just mix it all together and put it on, and it's been working. So let's go ahead and do that. So I put about that much of the first one, and I literally just put a little bit of this one, and then I put 2 drops of this, and then of course my sunscreen. Even though there's no sun outside, still need to put the sunscreen on. So I just rubbed that in really good. And then put my sunscreen on, about that much. And just like that, face is done. All right, guys, I'm back and I'm dressed. I'm also gonna put on my ankle weights and my weight vest. I don't think I'm gonna put my sweat jacket on because I'm not trying to get sick, but I am gonna put on my ankle weights and my weight vest. I don't usually do anything to my hair, just like fluff it out because I'm about to go work out, so it's not a big deal. I usually put a hat on to protect my face, but I can't find it, so yeah. So I'm about to go fill up my water bottle, put my shoes on, grab my ankle weights and my weight vest, and head out. All right, guys, so I'm in the car and ready to head out. I have my ankle weights. My gym is a mess right now because of the girls' room makeover. If you watched that video, then you know we have all their stuff practically in that room, so I couldn't get to my weight vest. So I got my ankle weights. Let's head out. Usually the girls do come with me, but when I like to do multiple times up and down, I don't take them with me because that's too much for them. So today I'm gonna go solo. Guys, this always happen. Every time I go hiking, it be like cold outside, the sun don't be shining. Then as soon as I want to go hiking, the sun comes out, which is bad for my face. Even though I put sunscreen on, I always still end up getting a tan. So all right, guys, let's put my ankle weights on. It's actually a nice day today. Perfect day for a hike. Make sure my shoes are tight. I'm so ready for this hike. I actually miss going hiking. All right, all done. Let me get my bag and my water and let's head out. Parking lot is packed today, which means it's going to be a lot of people hiking today, which is good, but let's just hope it's not too crowded. It's such a pretty day, even though it's not that hot, but like I said, that's good because who wants to hike in the heat? But it's a pretty day. The sun is shining. It's not too hot, not too cold. Perfect weather for a hike. My legs are so sore from yesterday. These ankle weights is not making it any better, but like I said, in order to grow, we have to push ourselves past our limits. So a little pain is not gonna stop me. It's only gonna make me stronger, and stronger is where you wanna be. So ankle weights it is. All right, guys, so I made it to the part where I like to stretch. Just get a little stretch in, not too much. Just a little stretch. Stretch my legs. Just like not too much. I actually seen something where it said stretching before a workout is important, but then I also see something that said not to stretch until after because you want your muscles to not loosen up. So I don't know. All right, guys, let's go. We gotta start my watch. And we're gonna do hike, of course. Let's go. All right, guys, let's do this. So this right here is the hike before the hike. You actually have to walk up like a little hill before you get to the part where you want to decide which route you want to take. So when we get to that point, I'll show you. You guys comment down in the comment section what your goals are for 2024. Mine specifically dealing with weight loss. I'm aiming towards eliminating body fat. I'm not really focusing on how much I weigh. I just want to eliminate body fat and get more tone so I'm not so jiggly. For me, this has been a long journey. I think I started my journey in about 2015, 2016, and I've been on it ever since. It's been high, it's been low. The most I've lost was, well, the lowest I got down to was like 143. Then I gained it back, then I lost, and I gained it back. So, like I said, this is something that's not easy, and you just have to be consistent. I'm good at being consistent. It's just, I like to go hard, and then either I'll get sick or something will come up, and then I'll fall off, and once I fall off, it's hard for me to get back on. But being consistent is something that I'm trying to do. All right, guys, we made it to the point where we have to decide which way we want to go, and it took me 5 minutes to get here. So this way, if we go this way, I say that this is the hard way because it's more steep going uphill, but it's also a shorter path. This way over here is a longer, but it's not as steep. So I like to start this way, then that way, then this way, then that way. So we'll end up doing both today. All right, guys, let's see how long it takes me to get to the top. Right now, we're at 6 minutes, 27 seconds. So let's see how long it takes me. This is why I love hiking. This view is so beautiful. The view is just so beautiful being outdoors. I love just being out here. Sometimes I like going hiking with my sister, with my mom, my husband, the girls, but sometimes I just like to come out here, be by myself, clear my head, release all my thoughts. I know, look at this view. So beautiful. I know someone just recently unalived themselves up here, and I just feel for him and his family because I can only imagine what he was going through. And trust me, I've been there. Depression, mental health is so serious, and a lot of people don't take it seriously. And like I said, I've been there, and it's dark. So if anybody is dealing with depression or mental health, find someone that you can talk to, somebody out there that care. And like I said, I just feel for him and his family, and I hope he's resting in peace right now. But let's get on with this hike. So beautiful. This is so amazing. Just makes you wonder, makes you think. Also just makes you be so appreciative to what you have and where you come from. This is so amazing. We would have came up the other way. We would have been coming up from that way right now. Let's continue on our path. Do you see him climbing up that rock? Heck no, I would have been too scared. So amazing. So beautiful. You see the little rainbow? It's beautiful. Started that down there. Making our way up. I know you guys see that rainbow or that speck of light shining. It's so beautiful. This puts me so much at peace. I love it. This camera is not doing it justice, bro, I swear. It's just so beautiful. Almost to the cross. A little bit more to go. This is beautiful. We made it to the top, guys. It's super crowded, but I think that's because of what happened up here. Everybody's probably paying their respects, because like I said, I've never seen it this crowded up here. Good view. Good view. So usually I don't stop, I just continuously go, but for the sake of the view, I'm gonna go all the way to the top. We're gonna go back down that way, which leads us to the short, steep hill, which to me is the hard hill. But first, I'm gonna take you guys to the top so that you can see the view and see how amazing this is. So beautiful. Again, guys, like I said, I know depression and mental health is so serious, and a lot of us don't have people that we could talk to. Sometimes it helps to talk to somebody that we don't know. So if anybody is dealing with anything, depression, mental health, anything, and feel like they don't have anybody they could talk to, just reach out to me. I'll be that person for you. Seriously, though. All right, guys, let's climb up. I really don't like climbing up here because my little legs is short and it's steep. But like I said, for the sake of the view, I want to show you guys how beautiful this is. Oh, and by the way, it took me, now it's at 31:50, which I probably would have got up here a lot quicker, but I was trying to record and walk at the same time, so, but it doesn't matter. Look at this, beautiful. These steep little things with my little short legs. So amazing. Let's go. There's the cross. So amazing. Okay, guys, I'm trying not to fall. Be right back. Make our way down. Try not to fall.
Is it just me or does it look like there's kind of stop sign on its side and like covered in concrete? Woo!
Excuse me. Oh, so I hate coming up here. Now we got these long old jumps. Just try to find some shallow spots we can go down. I know y'all like, shut up, but this is so beautiful. Alright guys, let's make our way back down. And then let's do it all over again. This is the way we came from. Now we're about to go back down the steep way and then come back up the steep way. On the way up, we were on that side. Now we're going down this way. I don't know if you could tell, but this is more of the steep side compared to the other side. So right now we're just going down, and then we're gonna come back up this way. Can't really tell on the video, but maybe you could tell by how fast I'm walking because it's kind of like pushing me because we're walking down a hill. But yeah. We started all the way down there. But we're not going all the way down to the bottom. We're gonna stop at the end of this trail and come right back up.
48-hour itinerary and shit like that, and, you know, so yeah, you just have to make sure you're getting an actual, you know, reasonable thing. They exist.
Where we came up,
Like hundreds of emails a day, so
the easy way down there. So we came up. See the sun shining? I'm telling you, it always happens that way where I'm like, okay, it's a little cloudy, no sun. Then the sun want to be like, pow! I don't know where it's at, but. All right, guys, I made it to the bottom, back where we started. Now, it's time to turn around and go right back up. This really right here is gonna let me know walking up this steep hill. Because walking up the other way, it's easy. And like I said, this way we're walking up a hill, so let's see how my legs do. So far, so good, but we're just getting started, so let's see. You guys can tell we're walking up the hill. So let's see. Let's see how long it takes me to get up to the top. Right now I'm at 33 minutes, so let's see how long. And I'm gonna stay off camera so I can actually time myself. So 33 minutes, let's see how long it takes me to get to the top. Now you guys can really see the steep hill that we're climbing up. This side is more steep.
the picture and then the both addresses, the pickup and the drop off. That way I know exactly where you're going. Okay. All right, thank you.
Same scenery. Yeah. This side is more steep. All right, I'll be back when I get to the top. And again, you can see the steepness that we're going up. All right, guys, we just made it to the top. And I'm kind of mad because I just realized that I never restarted my watch from when we got to the top the first time. So all the way down, all the way back up, my watch was not going. So I'm kind of irritated, but it doesn't matter. I still got these calories in, even though I can't see how many I actually burned, but that's not gonna stop us. So I'm going back down the way I just came up, which is the steep way. And now I'm gonna incorporate some running and walking and running and walking. And then when I get back down, I'm gonna come back up the long way and then back down the long way. So let's get it. When I'm running, even though I'm tired, I try to just think in my mind that I'm being chased by a dog. That way I don't stop, because in real life, if I was being chased by a dog, tired or not, I'm not about to stop running. So comment down below with some ways that you guys encourage yourself to keep doing something when you're tired and just can't go anymore. All right, guys, we're about to run a little bit. It might be a little bumpy, but I'll end up speeding it up. But let's go. Let's go run.
The muchacho?
All right, guys, so I made it all the way almost down to the bottom of the steep hill and realized that I lost the controller to my selfie stick. So then I turned around and came back up the hill trying to find it, and I didn't find it. So I'm gonna just have to order another one. But now I am currently on my way back down the long, easy way, and then I'm gonna call it a day. So I'll get back to you guys when I get down to the bottom. Surprisingly, I felt good when I was running. Like, I wasn't really that out of breath, so that means my stamina is coming back strong. So I'm happy about that. Guys, I think they got some kind of high-speed chase or something going on. I don't know if you guys can see the helicopter and the police. I don't know where they went, but they were just all here. All right, guys, I just made it back to the car. I feel really good. I'm surprised because I haven't been hiking in such a long time. So I thought I was going to be super tired, and I hate the glasses have the glare, but I thought I was going to be super tired, but I'm actually not. I feel really good. I know I'm going to be sore once I get home and settle down, but that's okay. So I was out here for about 2 hours. We got out here at 8:23 and it's 10:34 right now. According to the watch, this is how I did. But you guys also have to remember that I wasn't recording for about 20 to 30 minutes when I forgot to start my watch back up, but that's okay because, like I stated before, I still burn those calories. So yeah, so once I get home, I'm gonna go ahead and take a shower and boil me some eggs. I love boiled eggs with a little bit of seasoned salt. Bomb. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then I have all 3 kids' hair to do. I have to wash and style all 3 of the kids' hair. So I'm gonna do that, and I'm probably gonna make a part 2 because I don't want the video to be too long. So I'm probably gonna go ahead and end the video right here. So stay tuned.